Oh, somebody comment what slow my voice. Okay, so somebody comment, but I'm colorblind. I can see, but I can only see all blue. But I can't find my glasses color invisible. Cause I don't know.
Okay, good man.
Cause I don't know.
Opo. Wow, kapugianan na ako.
Cause I don't know. I don't know. Because they are colorful. Colorful. My glasses are colorful. And my color of the glasses are blue. Blue. Asan na yung glasses ko?
I don't know.
Here's my slow voice. This is made by choice. Subscribe to my channel, and my age is 7. High quality, made by choice. And patapim bing 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 dikus bir baloluni bing bing. And I speak all of the language, and I know all of the language, and I live in Philippines. That's my slow voice. Oh, yung sa next video, yung sinabi ko.
Okay.
So, lalagyan ko yung emojis. Kasi hindi pa rin nag-order ng mask eh. Pero nagmo-move naman ako. Hindi na ako makakaano na ako ng emojis. Nagmo-move naman ako eh. I just live in Philippines.
Wow. This is my country. You love happy defense.
I saw in TikTok that the person girl that was said Jollibee, not Jollibee. So I flip my plug in Minecraft because I make more Philippines in Minecraft.
Okay.
Also, I don't have a Minecraft. I have a fake